Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the camera available and selecting it. First, open Teams and sign in, then go to Settings, right arrow Devices, and confirm your camera appears and is not in use by another app. Once done, join the meeting lobby, and before entering, click the camera icon to enable video. This shows your preview. Make sure lighting faces you and remove distracting backgrounds. These steps prevent delays and give you control of what others see. Now you refine how you appear. From devices, choose the exact camera, built-in versus external USB, because different models handle light differently. Use the preview to frame your head and shoulders at a natural eye level, and then pick background blur or a custom image to reduce distractions. If your camera or app offers resolution, exposure, or zoom controls, nudge them until skin tones and details look natural. Once adjusted, close settings. Your changes apply immediately to the meeting. Finish by verifying real-time performance and knowing one quick fix. If your camera is black or frozen, first check OS privacy and browser permissions to allow Teams access, then quit any other apps using the camera. If that does not help, update or reinstall the camera driver, try a different USB port, and restart Teams. As a last-ditch option, join from the Teams mobile app or use your phone as a webcam. This gets you back on camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.